Yellow tape around his body. It's a fucking homicide.
Good morning. So, my skin tired. I need to do my hair, get my stuff together. I haven't done a face mask in so long. I haven't waxed in so long. Any bath in so long. So the plan is to steam my face, exfoliate, put a face mask on, and then wax my body parts. If you want to see the step-by-step tutorial on how I wax my eyebrows, underarms, etc., stay tuned to my business channel because the step-by-step process will be over there. As for now, it's about to vibe out. I need a whiteboard, dry erase board. What we're about to do, I have to stop acting so awkward, like I don't know you, like I don't know y'all. We're gonna go ahead. Yeah, I didn't even want to waste your time today because I was telling him yesterday during the whole intake. Yep, digital products and services. Shopify. That was like maybe 1,500, 1,500 or so.
Take sand, ride around with F and then we like to hold hands. Open a different kind of take it cold red. I tell this bitch to pull up shit on moped. Mine about me unleash.
Low and slow, we're gonna take these. The low side, no heat. When we close it, heat gonna circulate through.
So you just don't care for a char for these? You just want nice and different?
I will char these, but I'll char them a little later. Just because, you know, with a steak, some people just char their fucking steaks on the outside, leave that shit damn near raw on the inside.
Right.
Because these, I want them to slow cook on the inside, so it's all the way cooked on the inside first, and then I can go ahead and I can char the outside for like a minute or two.
Right.
So now, flip this.
Oh.
See how good it looks?
Mm-hmm. Already.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Now the hotter you can get this thing, the more char it'll be. So
right.
These grills will probably get up to like 500 degrees, but some people do like a broiler, do like 1,800 degrees, and that's what it looks good. Stay down. So if I had a real fatty steak, and once that fat and grease start dropping on the charcoal, you can see right here, you see that little flame there.
Right.
That's good. That's what I want for my steak, you know?
Right.
It's a whole lot different than when we first started, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Wow. Yeah, it's just something about that flame interaction.
That's all it is. That's all it is.
Wow. Interesting.
So you can open it up, give it a little bit more air. You see that's all the smoke coming through there, yo. You'll see the temperature start to rise. Depending on what you're cooking, you don't want to go no higher than 350. The way you would do the salmon or something that you want to cook super. I put my charcoal and my shit in here, and then I'll close these off. So all the heat from this little chamber will go into this one. And it'll just slow cook the meat.
Okay.
Roast or something like that, or brisket. You wrap that motherfucker. You want to cook for like 6 hours on 200. You can do it that way. And then when you take it out of here, it's just be like butter. The meat will be so damn tender. You know what I'm saying? But you know, a steak, you don't want a steak to be like that. You would block? No.
Wow. Cause yeah, I'd love some smoked chicken, you know, smoked chicken.
The meat tender is always low and slow.
Right.
Ayy, pull up all black, I'm not showing no test. I don't gotta do much cause they know I'm a mag. She is not fucking, so I'm not attached. But if she is fucking, I pull up and match. She fucking, but this bitch keep running like trash. Not tucking, you try me, this chalk going blad. Need 10 for a show, you can check out my stats. I grab the front end, but I come through the bag. I rated is flat, one butt in it. I push the gas, hit the turbo, I'm swerving the scat. I ride with the gas, I put up threes like I am Curry. You missing, your name must be Shag. I come through like
I really want to get into working out and being active, but I'll get to it when I get to it. By the time I get to it, it'll probably already be too late.
like a sauna. The green is on me, I feel like an iguana. My eye is locked, my vision is torn. I'm smacking that ass, I'm pulling her bones. Let's get to that money, 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 let's get to that A, let's get to that money, 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 let's get to that A. New shoes on my feet, but they don't got a crease. I'm talking in class while I'm trying to teach. Just moved to Atlanta, so I need a pee. I'm speaking that real, so they told me to praise. Shelf drop, I'm finna clean in my
same hoodies.
until I know what this real mob ties.
Like, look at me.
Like what you in for? I can make this life you want to not it be so simple. Alright. Like what you in for? I can make this life you want to not it be so simple. Reggie say he got my ass on the hole, she on her knees and capturing me into info, cause that's just really where the shooters be. They play up in the barrel, you think they hurt him? Yeah. Like what you in for? I got you want to not it be so suck the lick on it. Extend the click, got the blink on it. Out the woods with the stick, but I shit on them. So the baby, I shit on them.
Now that I made it to my friend Amari's house, I just wanted to come on here and say I dress like a bum. I wear the same damn thing. I wear like the same damn things every day, and I'm still me, you know?
More space.
Right.
She just don't have black content like you do.
The hell? Fuck.
What's going on? What is going on?
It's a lot, Amari.
Alright.
I'm just trying to figure out. I didn't even know it was a basketball back here.
Yeah. That's why I said you two want to go to the park.
Is it a court there?
A court? Mm-hmm. Yes, a tennis court, yeah.
No, a basketball court. But no, I definitely was just like trying to show them my back seat versus Martha's back seat if we get Martha's back seat, because I figured she would have a little more space. Because her like actual car is bigger too.
This is traction control, right?
Right. Just cutting that on that off though is lethal. Like that's basically like a Mustang getting loose and it's squirrely. Like that's just no control. I don't give a shit. This shit is so dirty and I'm so sorry. Oh shit.
Why is she
This
getting
is
that?
Keith's shit.
He's like,
Can you see this?
right. Okay. Well, I'm with Amari and Asia. That's why you hear all this. I guess it is a car show. Are we going to the park? Asia seems like she don't feel like driving. Ooh, I look fat. Look at my cheeks.
Asia, we might as well go to the park so we can have one.
All right, well, I'm getting out. Come on.
Look at her.
You think you should say?
You look like you have a tan.
Yeah.
Or you just been wearing shorts lately.
Well, I have been wearing shorts too, though, but mostly pants. But I mean, it's not gonna stay like this.
And we're gonna have more. We're gonna be at the waterfall, etc. Living it up, breathing.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Right.
Hydration is key.
Yes, because we're having smoking lungs.
But her other friend and boyfriend, he'll just keep rolling.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he'll just keep pulling wheels out and just keep rolling. Come out.
Oh, what you about to do? Oh, you about to go back?
Okay, where?
Back to your hometown with your baby daddy.
That is not her.
It was a joke.
Back.
Look at this shit.
Would you
Oh,
consider